sit back, relax, grab a drink, and let's do a get ready with me. I am excited because I'm going to do my first official really fall look, and something that I actually haven't done before, a really burgundy kind of eyeshadow. I'm going to use the Jack and Hill palette, and so I will point out the colors I'm using as I use them. But let's start where we should start, and that is with some moisturizer. I love this First Aid Beauty one. If you have seen my things before, you already know that. Boop. Done. Okay, so now we are, hi Miss Georgia. I'm gonna fill out my brows using the NYX Fluff and Fill pencil, and it's definitely one of my new favorites for a while now. It's not, I guess, not that new anymore, but I actually do the Maybelline Tattoo Studio. This is not the one that like is like peel off, it's just the one that lasts a few days, so there's always like a little bit of tint on my eyebrows because of it. So I really like it because even after you wash your face, you still have some color if you want to go swimming or something. I do want to try the one that actually is more of an actual dye. I'm interested. Okay, I went a little crazy there with the brow. Oh my goodness. Happens to me so often. It's fine. I swear I end up Q-tipping my brows more than anything, because I always go too hard with them. I can't help it. I just get real excited when I get up in there, and then things just start getting crazy. I don't know if you guys can hear my dog's wrestling in the background. And Jeff's just sleeping in the bed, which is right, like literally right here. He doesn't wake up. Anyone else's significant others sleep like a rock through anything pretty much? That's him. But anyways, I am really excited for all of the fun fall activities to be had. I am going to go to a pumpkin patch probably next weekend, I think, honestly, just because not a lot of them are open yet. But I think that's just when it's going to work out, is to go next weekend. Oh my gosh, this is just getting worse because I'm trying to even out the arch over here. I don't know what happened here. This is like probably the worst I've ever done my eyebrows ever. It just keeps getting worse. It's fine. We're fine with it, okay? We're fine. Oh my gosh. I need to clean these bad boys up. Get my trusty Q-tip and clean it up. Oh my goodness. I swear, that's why I really would like to, because some days I can do my eyebrows amazing in like 1 second, and other days, well, this is what happens. So I really want to get my eyebrows microbladed eventually, just because it would be nice to just have them looking bomb every single time. When you wake up, just boom, eyebrows looking bomb. Boom. Sorry if you guys can hear my chair squeaking. This chair is on its last leg. I've had this guy for almost 13 years. So it's actually been really good though for me. Like, I got it from IKEA. I mean, it still works. It's just a little bit squeaky now. But I mean, whatever, it does the job, right? So, okay, I am going to also carve them out a little bit with concealer, so we're going to get even more definition now. And I'm going to use the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer like always. It's definitely my favorite concealer. But I also really like the Maybelline Age Rewind if you're looking for a good drugstore one. I actually have it still. It's my favorite, at least that I've tried. It's my favorite drugstore one. And this is my favorite probably, period. But honestly, the Age Rewind is a very close second, and especially that it's like, I think half the price, if not a little more than half the price. So ain't mad at that, that's for sure. Because who doesn't like to save some money, honey? Although I went to Target the other day, and you guys will see some footage at Target over the weekend probably. And I was a little sad in their jewelry section. There really wasn't any good clearance. I don't know if it just got picked over or what, but I feel like the last couple times I've went to look at Target for their clearance, there really hasn't been much left over, which I guess is good for Target because people are buying the stuff up maybe even before it gets on clearance, or I'm literally just missing it and people are snatching it up before I get to it, because I love Target jewelry. They have some really cool, unique pieces, and I feel like they're pretty good quality, honestly, especially for the price. So, and just so you know, if you are curious, I am just using a flat brush. My palette just fell. I had it sitting on the bed and the dogs wrestled it off the bed, so that's cute. I'll grab it in 1 second. But anyways, I'm just using a flat kind of concealer brush to do this, and I just put it all over my eyelid also, kind of as like an eyeshadow primer. It just helps the eyeshadow last longer because I don't use an actual eyeshadow primer. I just use concealer because honestly I feel like it does the same job. You get an even base and it stays longer. Okay, so there we go. There we go. That's what I like to see. Took a minute. It's fine. We're fine. We got time. What are we doing anyways? What are we doing with our evening? I'm really excited about this look, you guys, though I'm a little nervous just because I haven't done an eye like this. I kind of do a lot of my neutral eye, or what I call my sunset eye, which is like that orangey look, which I really love. So I'm very interested to see how I'm gonna like this burgundy look. Now that we have all that, we can start doing the eyeshadow. I'm going to start off with just a flat tip brush. This is actually one that I got from, like, I think the original Naked palette. I love it. I still have it. It works great. And I'm going to use the color in light, okay, which is this white bright color here, and I'm going to put that, I'm trying to hold it, there we go, gosh, and I'm going to put that below my eyebrow bone here, and I am going to put it on my lid in my inner corners in a second. We're just gonna put it everywhere. We need to brighten up the eye. I'm just feeling like I want to go a little more bright than I normally do, just because I am gonna go dark with all the burgundies and stuff. And I like my eyes because my eyes are smaller, like hooded eyes. I like to go a little bit brighter than normal on the inner corners to hopefully bring out some brightness still to this whole look. And I'm gonna put this across the lid for now, even though later it's probably gonna honestly get like blended out and stuff like that, but whatever. We're just living our life right now and just winging it. So if you're wondering why this video is so late, well, you're gonna get a little story time, a little like life update, I guess, about my fertility. That'll be up this weekend sometime. I'm not sure if it'll be up like Saturday or if it'll be up Sunday, but if you are interested in hearing an update on that, well, you can look out for that video. And also you can hit the notification bell if you don't already have it, because then you'll be notified as soon as it does go up, which is kind of nice because I'll touch more about it in the video, but my life has been a little bit hectic. I think I need to put a little bit of my NYX eyebrow mascara, actually, because I feel like my eyebrows need a little more darkness, especially with doing this darker eye. I don't want my eyebrows to look awkward with it, you know what I mean? So I just use the NYX eyebrow mascara in the color Brunette, and I just brush it into my eyebrow. Now here we go. I don't know why I'm nervous. Like, I'm excited though, just to see what this is gonna end up looking like. Okay, I'm gonna use this brush from Real Techniques. It is just a deluxe crease brush, just a nice little chubby guy. And we are gonna go in with one right here in the middle, which is just like a brownish color. It's called MFEO. Okay, I don't know what that stands for. I'm like not hip apparently, because I really have no idea. And that we're gonna put up actually pretty high here. We're gonna bring it up almost to the brow, almost to that white that we first did, that white bright color. And this is just gonna be our transitional shade. You're gonna put that all over from back to forth here. And if you don't have this exact palette, just use any kind of warm brownish mauve-y tone that you might have. Although I do recommend this palette because for the price, it's really good. You get a lot of nice colors. As you can see, the pigment's really nice, and it lasts. It's probably one of my favorite palettes, honestly, just because it has a lot of fun, vibrant colors and good mix of shimmery ones and matte ones too. So okay, so now we got that. Now we're going to use this color right here, which is the nice darker color, and that is called Hilster. And we're gonna basically put that almost over exactly what we just did to deepen it up. And it's just a nice, like, kind of cranberry-ish color, I would say. It'll look like the cranberry sauce on your Thanksgiving table. That's the goal here. I know it's not even Halloween. What am I talking about Thanksgiving for? Speaking of Halloween coming up soon, I did some Halloween makeup looks last year. I'm very curious to hear if anyone is interested in me doing something like that again this year. And if so, what kind of makeup looks would you like to see me try to do? Okay, so we got this burgundy situation going on. What I need to do is with that color for it to show up better is pack it on. So that's the one thing I swear I'm horrible about eyeshadow, is like knowing which ones are supposed to be packed on and which ones are supposed to be blended out. But whatever, we're gonna pack this one on now and put it on the outer corner a little bit too. Oh yeah, there we go. That's what we want, is a little bit darker. Because I was like, why isn't this as dark as I really want it to be? That's why, because I needed to pack it on. And now I'm going to use this color down here, which is like the deepest burgundy in the palette. It is called Chip. I'm going to put that just on the outer corner of the eye. And we're going to pack it on this time. Just tap, tap, tap. I don't know, you guys. I swear, whenever I try a new eyeshadow look, I never know if I like it until I complete the rest of my makeup. So I don't know, you guys. We're all in this together. Is it a High School Musical movie now? We're all in this together. Things are happening. Things are moving. I think it's fun. Okay. I'm going to try to put actually a little bit of this shimmery cranberry color here. And it is called Crayon Apple. Really pretty. I'm going to put that just kind of in the middle, tap it on and over towards the edge. Just gonna bring a little shimmer of cranberry into the eye, because why not, right? And then I'm gonna use this goldish bronzy color right here, and that is the color Buns. These names are just so funny to me. And we're gonna pack that Buns on from the inner corner on out. I like it. Okay. I think I want to add like a little bit more of a pinkish to it. So I'm going to use this color right here at the top of the Jaclyn Hill palette, and that is called Sissy. And I'm going to put a little bit of that into the mix. Okay, yeah, I like that. It has a nice pinkish. So I think that looks good with all the burgundies. I cannot find my blending brush. Looks like I'm gonna have to improvise. We'll use this other side of this Naked palette. It has no color on it. I'm just gonna blend these top colors out a little bit. Should I be really fun? I think I might use dark blue. I'm doing a crazy fun eye, and we're just gonna do it. And I'm just using an angle brush just to put that along my lower lash line. Okay, I think it's kind of making my eyes pop a little bit bluer, but I'm not sure. I guess we'll see. There's eyeshadow. We're done with eyeshadow. And I'm going to use my beauty blender today because can't be bothered. And I'm using the Do You foundation in the color Almond. Seems to blend pretty good. It doesn't look like it's going to blend pretty good at first. Like the first time I used it, I was like, oh, this is just way off. Like, what even is this? But I think it does a good job now. Literally, you guys want to see Gus? Look at him. Gussie. Just right there chilling. That's Jeff's foot. I wish I could sleep like him. I really do. I cannot sleep. I have to like have everything perfect. My pillow perfect, blanket, the temperature in the room has got to be perfect. It's basically, I don't know what happened, you guys. I hope my camera like just stopped recording. I'm not even sure where it cut off till I go to edit this, so that's unfortunate. I am using the Do You foundation right now on my face, and it's not like if I was doing one of my try on videos, I could just like restart, right? But my makeup's already, like, I already did my eyeshadow. What am I supposed to do now? I'm hoping I didn't lose as much footage as I think I did, but we shall see. But I hope that you guys are liking this cranberry eye. Once I get the rest of the makeup on, I think I will probably like it as well. We got that pull down the neck because, you know, you should. I don't do it all the time though, not gonna lie. I'm gonna use the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer to brighten up my under eyeballs a little bit more. I'm gonna put some translucent powder, which is just the Do You by Too Faced. I love the way it smells. It's like cucumber melon heaven. This stuff is especially great if you have dry skin because it's not super drying. Now we're gonna bronze it up. We're gonna do the Hoola bronzer. Add a little darkness and depth to my ghostly face. I cannot believe that September is already almost over. Like, how did this happen? It flew by, you guys. It really flew by. I don't know about y'all, but it felt like this month just went by in a blink of an eye. Honestly, this whole summer felt like it went by in a blink of an eye. I think just because so much was going on with me, I feel like, I don't know, I didn't have like as much time. I didn't even swim in my pool as much as I normally would have, I feel like. But that's alright. So there we go with the bronzer. And I'm not actually going to use blush today. I'm just going to use a little more bronzer in the apples of my cheek. Just keep it kind of bronzy today. Okay, there we go. I like that. It smells like perfume. It literally smells like straight up perfume. I don't even know what perfume that is though. I don't even know where it came from. Who are you? I'm going to use that Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow like I said earlier for my highlighter today because, yeah, I have no idea where my highlighter went. I'm gonna have to go on a little Where's Waldo moment. Where in the world is Carmen Sandiego? Don't know. Now I'm going to brush off my bake, spray my face. I'm going to put on my eyelashes and my lipstick, and I will be back with you guys in a moment. So here is the completed look. I really like it. I feel like the blue kind of pops my eye. I never really do that. I have done like a turquoise color. I have done a turquoise color once before, but never this like kind of royal cobalt kind of blue. So I really do like it. I think it's fun for something different. I probably will put more blue with my different looks just to kind of mix it up, even when I do like a neutral eye. But I am liking these burgundies and cranberries. I think it's really pretty. It definitely gives me kind of that fall feeling, especially with this lip as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this get ready with me. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And remember to just be you. Bye guys.